Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. In these clips that I've been putting together on the YouTube, I present to you the solutions to math problems that appear in this book, the official SAT study guide. The official SAT study guide. You must have it. If you don't have it, buy it from any of the bookstores near you, or you can purchase it from me. Right now I'm going to solve excuse me. Right now I'm going to solve a problem that appears in exam number 5, section number 7, page number 672, question number 13. It's a medium question. It's not actually that bad. Let's see what it says. If after watching the clip you find my explanation helpful, and if you wish to purchase the DVD that I have put together, that will give you the solutions to the problem in this section without any interruptions, without any sales pitch, one after the other, send me an email telling me which particular sections of which exam that you wish to purchase the DVD of, and I'll take care of it. Also, if you would like to hire my services for personal, private, one-to-one tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, send me an email. I'm located in Hartford, Connecticut. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as we can come to some agreement. As long as we can come to some agreement, I would love to come and help you. Okay, let's take a look at it here. It says, I do not have the luxury of putting the problem on the blackboard. You have to have the book in front of you. Pick up the book. You must have this book in front of you as I'm solving the problem. Turn to page number 672. You should have a piece of paper with you and a pencil with you and solve the problem with me. It says Kyle's log combination consists of 3 two-digit numbers. As you can see there in the answer choices, they consist of 3 two-digit numbers. The combination satisfies 3 conditions. Condition number 1 is that it has 3 numbers in this combination, 3 two-digit numbers. First condition it has to satisfy is that one number is odd. So that's the first condition. One of the numbers has to be odd. Another condition is that one of these numbers has to be a multiple of 5. The third condition we are told is that one of the number is the day of the month of Kyle's birthday. One number is his birthday. So far so good. Our job is to find out which is that combination among the 5 that are given to us. And then they go on to explain that if each number satisfies exactly one condition, each number has to satisfy exactly one condition, and they underline the word exactly. I was going to say underscore. Let's take. That's a C. If you don't know what underscore means, pick up the dictionary and learn the word underscore. It has 2 meanings. Literally, to underscore something means to underline something. Metaphorically, it means to emphasize something. So they underscore the word exactly. So we can't miss it. We cannot. Each number, in other words, a given number cannot satisfy more than one condition. We cannot count, if you find an odd number which happens to be a multiple of 5, you cannot count it twice. It has to be counted either as an odd number or as a multiple of 5, not both. Let's take a look at it here. Let me change the color. By now, if you've been watching my clips, you know by now that I have a flair for the dramatics. There we go. So I changed the colors. A says 14, 20, and 13. Let's see. One number has to be odd, so we got that. One number has to be a multiple of 5, we have that. 20 is a multiple of 5. And one number has to be his birthday. Well, this could qualify as his birthday, why not? We don't know what his birthday is, but 14 would work, so that works. I'm going to keep it. Let's look at B. I always change colors in the answer choices because it's easier for you to see. 14, same as before. 25 and 13. Now we have a problem. We have a problem because we are told that only one number is odd. Here we have 2 odd numbers. No good. That one is no good. Let's look at C. C says 15, 18, and 16. Well, let's take a look at it. You got 15. You see a problem here? There is a problem. There is a problem. The problem is that we have our odd numbers, 15, but we have no multiple of 5. And you're going to say, wait a second, 15 is a multiple of 5. Fine then, if you want to count 15 as a multiple of 5, which it is, but then you can't count it as an odd number. Because I'm going to read again for you. I'm going to read again verbatim. Verbatim means word for word. Again, if you don't know that word, look it up. Verbatim in the dictionary, it means word for word. I'm going to read the question verbatim. The last part of it, it says, if each number satisfies exactly one of the conditions. In other words, one number cannot satisfy two conditions. Each number has to satisfy exactly one condition, which means this 15 can count it as either an odd number or a multiple of 5, but not both. So I'm going to count, it doesn't matter which one you count it as. If you count it as an odd number, then we have no multiple of 5. If I count it as a multiple of 5, I have no other odd numbers. This thing is no good. Let's continue. D says 20, 15, and 20. 20, 15, and 20. Do you see a problem? Yes, I see a problem. I see many problems with this answer choice. One problem is that I have an odd number, which is true. This is odd. Let's count this as odd. But then I have two numbers which are multiples of 5. There are two numbers that are multiple of 5. Only one number, it says one number has to be multiple of 5. This is no good. Let's look at E, the last one. This is getting very low in my blackboard. I hope you can see that. That reminds me of one more word that you might want to learn. The last answer choice is 34, 30, and 21. Very quickly. Well, I need an odd number. I have an odd number right here. That's so far so good. I need a number that is multiple of 30, or a multiple of 5 rather. There is a multiple of 5. That's good. But the problem is this guy. Can this be his date of birth? I don't think so. I don't think so. I do not know of a calendar where we have 34 months. 34 days in a month. So therefore, this is the only one that works. Answer is A. Answer is A. Learn this word as well. Open up the dictionary and learn that word. Misnomer. What does misnomer mean? Misnomer means exactly what it says. Mis means wrong, and nomer is where the word name comes from. Wrong name or wrong label. It means sometimes through traditions and through passage of time, there are certain labels and certain names that have been stuck to something which are no longer technically speaking true. I just refer to this thing as a blackboard. It's not a blackboard, it's a whiteboard, but it's a blackboard. I use it as a misnomer. One does not need to be so pedantic to be correct all the time. Oh, let's learn this word. Look up this word and learn it. Pedantic, which means to be somebody who is excessively correct, excessively accurate in what they say and what they do and so forth. It also means to show off one's knowledge. Pedantic, to be very particular, very precise about everything. Anyway, that was my solution. I hope you found it helpful. Send me an email, post comments on the YouTube, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay? Thank you.